What's up, everybody? It's the People's Champ. We in the garage right now. Me and the wife working out. We already started recording training actually about 20 minutes ago. But I know you guys seen the video that I did, the latest one, me, Sean, and Mike. A lot of you guys noticed that my knees were fucked up, shaking real bad. So I started taking Golden every night to help with the inflammation. Apparently I had a lot of swelling in my knees that I had no idea about. So I've been taking that now for the past 2 weeks. Now what I'm doing right now is squats out open with the resistant band. Me and my wife both are doing it right now. So with that being said, you guys about to see my knees are working really well. If you look down at my feet, you would notice that I'm wearing flip-flops because I'm at home. Bring it back up, girl. Sheesh. Chloe want to record, so this is about to be attached. Okay, so now I'm about to go demonstrate. So what I'm doing is
You did 1 minute.
What?
You did 1 minute.
I don't care about none of that. So right now, what I'm doing is squats, feet together, squats, feet out. That's 1. Feet together, feet out. That's 2. All right, let's go. Lo, you take over and start recording now.
Let me get this part, Chloe, okay?
And you can move around too. How the light is on that side?
It's good.
I'm not dark as hell?
No.
All right. Bam! So as you can see, I'm squatting really low and I'm also jumping. Golden is the best product right now that's out to help with inflammation. Also, it helps with your mind too. So it's the People's Champ, giving it to you gun barrel straight. You know what it is. That's raw and uncut, no filter. All right, now I know y'all don't know what I'm talking about. Here go the product right here, Golden. Bam. So if you go to the Ambrosia Collective website, you can go and you can do your research on it and everything. Whatever you purchase off of the website, I will let you guys use my discount code. Not my promo code, but a discount code to where you get to save some money. And that discount code is MACTRUCK18. MACTRUCC 18. And make sure you pick up some Golden, because y'all see y'all boy doing them squats now. And now I'm finna go ahead and switch it up a little bit. All right. For those non-believers, look at Mac Truck, squatting down, no problem. All because of one product, Golden. It's actually a natural form of like ibuprofen, Motrin, all of those type of drugs that you get over the counter from your doctor that help with inflammation. But the turmeric is so powerful inside of this to where it actually benefits you. It benefits your mind, plus wherever you are holding inflammation, which is swelling, and that inflammation makes it very difficult for you to be a little more flexible. As you guys can see, my squatting was terrible in the video that I did, but now y'all see it's working. No caps. AmbrosiaCollective.com. Your turn. Oh, you trying to get the happy feet? I dance, 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 I dance. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I know y'all probably like, but what your legs look like, man, truck? That's what these things look like. That's what these things look like. Yeah. 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 Where the fat at? Get up close on me. Where the fat at? Where that fat at? Where? Where they at? Exactly. Go get your shit. Oh, another resistant band move we're gonna do. We just attacked the Lord. We did, like I said, we did other things before I decided to record this stuff because we come in the garage and work out at least 3-4 times a week. Now we're about to do some resistant band curls. It's just concentrating on the squeeze. Not so much to grow my muscles, because this would never grow my muscles, but it will get the blood flowing to where I have a 3D pump. A temporary fix. It's a Band-Aid for if you can't go ahead and hit your dumbbells, your barbells, and all of that. Temporary fix, resistant band curls. We did the hop squats, we did the sleds, like you on a sled, sleigh, whatever. We did those. Now we on arms. We also did rows already. So we did rows for the rear, for the back, and some of the bicep. We did those and did the resisting bench with my wife. She did her press with the resisting bands. And once again, it's not to get you jacked, it's just to get the blood flowing so you can get an instant pump. Those of you that's coming out to the Anaheim Fit Expo this weekend, come to the Ambrosia Collective booth. I will be there. Me, Sean, Mike, Big Rob, a couple of other peoples I know is gonna be there. It's gonna be a riot. What is all I have to do now? I don't know. There's a couple more guys who I haven't personally met yet because they don't live out here to where I can know their name. So if you watch my video, I didn't mention your name. I apologize. It's just I don't see you guys to learn your names. I know y'all like, why you gonna let us see your wife work out? Cause I'm not. Anyway, I'm about to let her get her set in. Y'all hold on. I'll at y'all later. It's getting real gassy in here. You know, from the motorcycle in my wife's ass. Yeah. Anyway, it's the People's Champ giving it to you gun barrel straight. You know what it is. Raw and uncut, no filter. I will be dropping more videos on a regular real soon. It was just too much going on for me to be focusing on YouTube so much in my personal life, as far as the other businesses that I'm into in this other bike build. So, I'll holler at you. You got anything to say, Ladybug?
Yep. Bye-bye. God bless y'all.
Whoa.
Oh, how sweet.
And that's coming from Ladybug, the Little People's Champ. She's giving it to y'all slingshot straight.